Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the skate error code 14780788404. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to play the game but are unable to continue due to a network issue or possible server problem. According to our research, the error is likely related to internet connectivity or a temporary issue on the server side. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your router. Simply turn off your router and unplug it from the power source. Then wait for a few minutes and then restart it. Once your internet is back, check if the error still comes. If the error persists, then try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. This will help you identify if the issue is with your current network. After switching the connection, check if this helps with the error. If the error continues, check if your game needs any update. Simply go to your game settings and look for any available updates. If there is a pending update, install it and check for the error again. At last, if the error still persists, then it might be a server-side issue. In that case, we suggest waiting for some time and trying again later. If the issue continues for too long, then contact the game support and report the problem. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.